The Colt Runabout was an American brass-era automobile built in Yonkers, New York, in 1907 by William Mason Turner.It was a two-seater with a long hood and short tail, where a pair of spare tires were mounted, characteristic of the period, and weighing in at only 1,800 pounds, 816 kilograms. It was priced at US $1,500, compared to US $650 for the high-volume Oldsmobile Runabout, and the two-seat Ford Model C doctor's car at US $850, but below the US $1,600 of the Oakland 40, and well below even American's lowest price model, which was US $4,250. Its highest was US $5,250. The Runabout's 477 in3, 7819cc, 4.5 times 5-inch, 114 times 127 millimeters, six-cylinder produced 40 horsepower, 30 kilowatts, and Colt claimed the car would hit 60 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, a considerable feat in 1907. See also: List of defunct United States automobile manufacturers. Notes. Sources: Clymer, Floyd. Treasury of Early American Automobiles, 1877 to 1925, New York, Bonanza Books, 1950, page 32.